Hello guys, welcome back. So if this is your first time of stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. So in this channel is all about trending gele style, makeup, and sometimes review. So today's tutorial will be on this Sego Gele. God, you guys have been so much, so much request on this Sego Gele, guys. Too much request. I have to answer you guys. So that's what I'll be doing today. So here's the gele, guys. So at first, so this tutorial is for beginners. So if you do not know how to create pleat and you want to look popping to your Owambe parties or to church, so this gele is for you. So at first, I will divide the gele into two like this. So just like 50-50. So I will divide it into two like this. So at the middle here, at the middle of the 50 parts, like this. So I'll go back, place it on my head like this. So after that, make sure you bring this hand inside like this. Then tie the hand. So if you don't want yours to be at the middle, you can put it at the side. Just remember, it's not must you put it at the front here. You can put it at the side. You can put it at the side. So after that, make sure your tying is very firm. After that, you tight it again. So after that, guys, we'll go back now. Start twisting the hand. So after twisting it like that, you will go back now. Use your office pen to pin it down just like that. So the other hand, just roll it like this. Make sure you roll it very nice, guys. Roll it like that. Just look at what I'm doing. After rolling it just like that, go back, use your office pin, and you are done. So use your office pin. Make sure you have your office pin, guys. So you are ready to rock your own hair. So what do you think? You are ready to rock your Owambe parties, guys. Very easy, very simple. Let me know if you want me to do another something simple like this for you guys. Let me know at the comment section. So I love you guys. Bye.